This is not at all a typical internship. Midco's internship has gone above and beyond the expectations that I had for this place. We were all given a project to work on throughout the summer, and it was really cool just to know that my project was going to be used for an actual business impact within Midco.
My favorite part was that in my interview I talked about experiences that I liked and things that I liked doing in school, and when I came my first day I was given a list of projects that were all tailored to things that I enjoyed.
I really didn't see myself as a writer. I was very nervous and a little intimidated going into my internship, and my team just kind of wrapped around me and really encouraged me on staying true to myself, but also learning all of the Midco ways and how to be a more effective writer.
Both years I was here, what surprised me was just how much responsibility I was given. I was not treated as the typical intern. I felt like one of the team, and I had just as much responsibility as anyone else.
My favorite part was getting to use different kinds of tools and programs that I'd otherwise not be able to use, since Midco is such a big company.
And maybe make some relationships there that can also be mentors throughout the rest of your internship.
Some of the benefits I got from the mid-program event were just meeting some of the more established people here at Midco and talking with them and networking with them and talking about their career paths and why they liked Midco. It was cool because you felt like more than an intern, you actually felt like you were contributing to a culture.
Which I'm going to talk about in the next presentation. And second, so I never expected to do a presentation. This is the first time I actually ever did this in an internship, but it's been great. It's a skill that everybody needs to have, and Midco including this in the program, it's a really great addition, and it's helping me improve my public speaking skills.
So the intern group got to volunteer at Feeding South Dakota and then host a food drive for them, which was really cool because not being from here, I got exposure to the community, and volunteering, giving back to my community is really important to me, so it was awesome to see that it was important for the company that I worked for.
Everybody is so willing to talk to you. If you want to learn more about someone's job, you can just send them an email and learn what they do and how they got to their position.
So my mentor, Katie, she was instrumental in my growth as a graphic designer. She sat a cubicle away from me, so I could disturb her anytime that I wanted, and I could ask her any questions that I wanted. So anytime I had a question, I would just scoot over with my chair, and she would teach me and show me how to do things that I didn't know how to do, and that was really helpful as a graphic designer.
After the Midco, getting my internship and just working a real-time job, I thought it was real nice because now I have an idea of what I want to do in the future.
If I had a friend ask me about the Midco internship, I would tell them to absolutely do it. This has been a great opportunity for me to sharpen my skill set, to broaden my professional network, and to really just get hands-on experience in a growing field with a great company.